Okay. All right.
I can't die here. Whoa! Alright, I got it.
Ah! Go back! I should have just jumped off. Wait, I can just grab this too. Now I can get 2 pillows. It was worth it.
Whoa! Alright, I got it.
You know what? Yeet. I ain't gonna risk fucking that up again.
May you rest in peace.
Now's not the time to be dead.
Jeez, crowders normally have 2 pillows. Spoiled kids, man, I'm telling you.
Undo.
Uh-oh. Oh, was it supposed to fall?
Undo.
Hua, hua, hua. Heck you. Oops.
Undo.
Didn't mean to do that. What? Oh.
Undo.
Actually. Oh, okay.
Undo. Undo.
Nope. I meant to press not. Fuck. I know what to do though. I was going to the left, but yeah.
Now's not the time to be dead.
All right. Nice and clean shot.
I'll take this and use this.
Oh my god, what am I doing? I can just go up. I was just like, okay, how am I gonna get up here? This accessible walkway. Uh-oh. Wait. Okay. You're doing fine. Just keep going. Almost there.
Alright, I got it. Alright, I got it.
Good hustle, team.
Here I go.
Hell yeah. Such a good game. It's so hard to, like, oh, It's so hard and so satisfying when you finally beat it. Goddamn. It's the squad again.
I don't cheat. I don't go out and party. And the woman I love is... And I get these nightmares too? This sucks.
Poor guy.
Hey, do you feel it? It will be coming soon. For me. It's myself. It's me in doll form. With holes for my eyes, ears, nose, mouth. And it doesn't even chase me. It's a version of me who doesn't do anything. Who can't do anything. I would rather fall into oblivion than have to see that.
Oh, come on.
Anyway, let's try and come up with some techniques. Why don't we exchange some information?
Okay.
Sure.
Here's something that I came up with.
Allow me to explain Inazuma.
Inazuma, huh?
When you're climbing a flat wall with 3 stones in a row, use the pulling out blocks and hanging techniques. If you repeat the same pattern, you can climb in a zigzag without collapsing the wall.
You're so right.
Perhaps you already figured that one out, though.
Oh, hey, maybe this is related to your technique.
This is a variation of Inazuma. You can climb flat walls with 4 stones in a row in the same way. The technique lies in moving the stone to the side of the wall you'd like to travel up, and creating a stepping stone.
I remember when I first saw this on the first playthrough and I was just like, oh my god, that is so smart.
See, you're quite something.
Yes, what an elegant move. Hello. This guy's come up with several techniques. It proves what kind of man he is.
Yeah.
They're not new, but they're all logical and useful. That's the mind of a leader.
I guess my business experience is paying off. It really does feel good to help out others. Hey,
It does.
Hey, can you talk with us?
Okay.
You're the best climber out of anyone here.
That's nice of you.
Yup. Making my debut was just an arbitrary goal. I thought it was the only way and nobody like me could shine. So when things were going well, I got scared when it mattered most.
I see.
Then my dad collapsed. My family owns a small restaurant. He ran the place basically on his own, so it didn't take long for the stress to get to him. And what did I think when that happened? I thought I was lucky. I had the perfect excuse to get out of that situation. So, despite both her and my friend begging me not to, I quit music. I ran. I didn't have the resolve to make a living in music.
So, I think the big one is coming up. Maybe I'm at the end of my road.
The big one.
Yeah. For me, it appears as my wife, Sophie. I as good as killed her anyway. She has every right to be angry with me. And if she's the one who kills me, then I don't mind.
So you're just giving up?
It's impossible for me to go on. I should have died when she did. My death is long overdue. Bye. You better survive, you hear? No matter how many other people you gotta push off.
But...
Sophia.
Sophia. Oh, by the way, totally random note, but I just, like, remembered it. I totally am gonna be doing voice work for Chivalry 2 as a peasant.
Damn it!
Hey, it's you again.
Damn it! Why did he go away all of a sudden? Where did he go?
Hey!
Shut up! I can hear you!
Sorry. Yeah, I understand. Getting chased around by weird monsters every night.
Well, go. There's another big one waiting to greet you tonight.
It said I could be unplayable. I'm not sure, but at least gonna be one of the NPC peasants running around that you can kill in a match.
Well, go. There's another big one waiting to greet you tonight.
So that could be interesting. Hey, Orlando Bloom.
Wait, there's more? I'm gonna throw my back out.
I'm glad you made it up all right.
It's like my hands are just moving on their own now. I don't know how I got so good at climbing this stuff.
Did I scream for Agatha? Oh, I haven't done it yet. I only just got the offer, like, yesterday?
I had a friend a while ago. Before I understood the value of money, it was fun. He was straightforward with me, unlike my parents or my servants. But he changed after he learned the value of money. The same thing kept happening to me after that. But I realize now that I was the one who put up a wall. Whenever I was about to get close to someone, I'd tell them who I was. I wanted to be friends with you both.
You've really opened up to each other, so I think we're already friends.
Aw.
Thank you. It's been a while since I've been able to talk so honestly. I was overthinking it. I was the one who was being affected by money. The reason no one tries to be friendly is because I didn't try to befriend anyone.
Now you know, bud.
It's up above. I can feel it. Mother, I can tell. I'm tired. Tired of this life of running.
Hey.
Mother's hands. Always so cold. So cold. She never let me wear clothes.
Whoa.
Instead of dragging myself through hell, maybe it's better just to die here.
Oh, of course it is.
What? Fuck, you don't know anything. I'm a bad man. I hurt women, my boss, everyone. I just want a normal life.
See? You want to live.
I'll climb. Like there's no tomorrow. If we both survive, we'll meet again. Is Mother coming back now?
Why didn't she let him wear clothes? Hey, man.
Tonight's, if you want an item, pony up some coins. Tonight's product is...
Bells turn nearby blocks into normal
Yes!
blocks. Drinks enable you to jump 2
It's always the same, but... Well, at least for this night, but still, yes!
You can give me this one.
a smart choice.
Oh, God, I love that goddamn sheep.
That was amazing. I really admire your determination, Vincent.
Thank you.
Flattery will get you nowhere with a loser like me.
You're not a loser, Vincent. You gave me a place to stay when I lost everything. You cheered me up whenever I was feeling down. You're kind, and you see people for who they are on the inside. You've given me so much in this short time, Vincent.
Oh, Ren.
So...
What's wrong?
my head...
Are you okay?
Maybe this is what it's like to be sick. I did take a cold shower.
You need to take better care of yourself.
All of these images popped into my head when I was playing. I think I'm getting close to recovering an important memory.
Really?
I just need something to help me remember. Who am I? Why am I here? Even if I get my memory back, I still want to be with...
Who made me? And what did they make me for? God, why do I always reference Outlaw Star? I'm such a weeb. Thanks, your deception. Which CKQ is Cry going for? That's a good question.
It's beginning.
What?
Well, sit down.
Oh, man.
I think you're starting to get careless. Do you remember what I said about the tide shifting?
And what the hell does that have to do with anything?
Well, it's almost time.
What?
This is the 10th question for a new possibility.
Okay.
What factors in the most when you make an important decision?
Generally my heart.
That one, huh? Very well. I've noted it. Let me give you a little warning. Depending on what you choose, your life might change rather drastically. And at the core of it all is that pianist.
Rin, what are you talking
It's
about?
my penis.
Your true value is about to be tested. Of course, your options will be limited. The choices you've made will determine what paths remain. I wonder what kind of trial they'll lead you to. Scary, isn't it? Walking into an uncertain future like that. Your next challenge is that fear itself.
Shizzle. For the record, we only have about 35 minutes until Warsaw, so hopefully we don't run into a huge situation where we will be having to stop in the middle of stuff, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm worried about the cutscenes after this, you know what I mean? But, yeah. Anyway, what factors in the most when you make... Yep, a lot of people do heart. A lot of dudes... less? Really? Okay. That's... Really? Huh. That is interesting. For some reason, I assumed it would be the other way around. I don't know why. Dudes don't give a fuck? I guess you're right.
This is the final area for tonight.
It's the truth.
Observe the traps created by the enemy and stay calm.
All right, let's just climb this thing and get it over with. What? There is no way!
Damn it, child. Oh god, he's got a chainsaw.
Child with chainsaw has
It's a killer.
It's a killer. Do not die. Edge.
Uh-oh.
Undo.
Actually.
Undo. Edge. 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 Edge.
Can't die here. Can't die here.
By the power of music.
That was dumb.
Just calm down.
There we go.
Just calm down.
I won't let you die.
Undo.
There we go.
All right, I got it. All right.
Edge. Edge. Undo. Edge. Edge.
Don't do it, child!
I won't let you die.
Now's my chance.
Edge.
Yeah. I'll just assume I can take that hit, I guess.
Edge. Undo. Check. Edge. Undo. Edge.
All right, I got it.
Undo. 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 Undo.
Let's not do that.
Undo.
Damn, homie. You're being a very bad boy for Papa. What?
Undo. Undo.
Uh-oh.
Undo. Undo.
How am I gonna get that? Oh. Like that? Uh-oh.
Undo.
Shit, actually, this is that's a good question you asked, Vincent.
Undo.
There you go. I'll do.
Undo. 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 Undo.
That was dumb.
Undo. Undo.
What am I doing?
Undo.
No.
Undo. Undo. Undo.
There.
This? Use this.
Undo. Undo.
Cry's weird sometimes. I agree. I'm sorry.
Undo. Undo.
Can't die here.
Undo.
I can't die here. Calm down. Bear it.
Oh! Shit. I was doing really good, actually. Darn.
Now's not the time to be dead.
Slowly. I think that was actually one of my first deaths.
Undo.
Or in a long time, at least, it felt like. Yeah, I did that last one really weird last time anyway.
Undo.
What a problem.
Undo. 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 Undo.
No.
Undo.
Push this and then pull?
I can't die here.
Vincent, no!
Now's my chance.
What am I doing with my life?
Undo.
I don't think there's any way to come back from this. I genuinely am not sure what I've done. Thank you, Five Nights at Freddy's, baby. Undo definitely made those saws disappear.
Now's not the time to be dead.
So I'll definitely keep that in mind. Have I done the same thing again?
What am I gonna do?
Keep going!
Now's my chance.
Alright, this way there's more room though. Alright, we can get up now.
Undo. Undo.
Hang on. I'm gonna get out of here.
Undo. Undo.
What am I gonna do?
By the power of music.
Undo. 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 Undo.
All right, I got it.
Undo. 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 Undo.
I know what to do.
All right, I got it.
Undo.
Wait.
Undo.
Oh no.
Calm down.
Protect Vincent!
I can bear it.
Oh no.
Undo. Undo.
Oh! I had it. I honestly, I have it. I needed to use the bottom thing. Okay. We were very close, though. I was a little perplexed. But we got it now.
Undo. 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 Undo.
What?
Undo.
What am I gonna do?
You're just gonna keep going.
I can bear it.
What?
Undo. Undo.